Hey ladies and gentlemen, this is a product from tinydeal.com. tinydeal.com, great value, great experience. After this nonsense, let's see what it is. Is it a model of Porsche car? Yes, it is. And in the same time, a cell phone. Let's see what it is like. This is a TF card. It's my own, not included in this product. Instead it, SIM card 1. SIM card 2. This phone supports dual SIM cards, dual standby. Battery. Press this button to start up. Menu. Okay. This is directory. I have not set it. You can search in this album. Add new contact. SIM card 1, SIM card 2, and the phone are all okay. You can copy your records. You can organize a group of your contacts. Picture. Memory card. Photos. A monkey, a very cute monkey. Back. Color video. Oh, format unsupported. Color ringtone. Anyway, it is a very simple cell phone. You can use it to have phone calls, you can use it to write short messages, and no other features. Just its shape, I like it very much. That's all. See you next time.